ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla naanị ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla naanị ya bụ ọka aka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ, ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi. Onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkọ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ Uzor nke mmadụ dị ndụ karị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ n'ụtụ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọgbụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị dịfe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụ ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ Uzor ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mmadụ ebighị ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise ise ise.
This is Mbuke Amakama in Umuahia South local government. Information reaching us now is that the herdsmen blocked this road, former Oruru Kalu, leading to Peseta FM. They just blocked road and kidnapped a complete family, a whole family, according to them. As you can see, there is lots of hold up here at the junction. The herdsman is on this road, blocking the road, kidnapping a whole family. There is no more movement here now, as you can see. At this juncture, everywhere is blocked. No one to be found. Boys are out there trying to make one or two research inside the bush to trace it. A whole family was kidnapped by the herdsmen this night. And there is no more movement this night. As you can see, people are here. Government should run to our aid before herdsmen will do us. Before herdsmen will do us 30 and 40 and 50. See it.
The first person, I need to like a Magala. The Mogad, all just about to do
As you can see, people want to get to that place where the herdsmen people block the road. They kidnapped the man and the son. When they kidnapped now, the family. Osa takwala no.
The family, everything, inside bush. Look at Tifeli.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again is Romano Nyebachinwashi would be known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Sea. And the Banyo say to Gokwen. Here in Abia State, yes. ndị herdsmen block road chịkọrọ family banye ime ọhịa. You recall that 3 days ago they made an attempt to kidnap a whole family. Ebe oshizi wee ka ha na-abụ na family in Abia State. And some of the security men who came there said everybody should go to their normal business. There is security. Today they have blocked road. In case if you don't know what is happening in Abia State, Orji Uzor Kalu and Nkese Nayobo number 60 man have gone to bring Fulani in order to terrorize Oti's government. This is how demonic they can be now. Your billionaires, those you worship, this is how demonic they can be. They cannot compete with Oti anymore. They cannot compete in anything. Oti have built road, build everything, give Abia light, even empowered Abia people with tricycle and this thing, not a bicycle, or what are they calling it? Kezi barrow, wheelbarrow. Why am I talking? Oti is the only person in our land that is trying to give our people hope and sense of belonging, not in Nigeria, but in ourselves, that we can do all things, that it is the governors who are Sasa to the northerners. That is the reason why they are not doing anything in your states, because they are mandated not to develop you. Go and ask. The governors who comes to power in your state are being mandated by Sokoto not to develop your region. They don't need any development. Now, if some of you have been to North, some part of the North, you will think that you arrive in Dubai. Why it is happening in the North? They don't want to develop their the Easterners. That is the reason why all your governors are being put by Sokoto. When they are coming to power, they will mandate them on what to do. Now they try to remove Oti. And Ndibanye, this is what they have brought. Orji Uzor Kalu. For those of them that told you people that Orji Uzor Kalu is one, oh, they lied against Orji Uzor Kalu. Orji Uzor Kalu is good. Orji Uzor Kalu is that. Oh, when the DOS, you know. I cannot forget. Orji Uzor Kalu Chetagondi Fulani to terrorize Oti's government. Hana, what is his name? Is it Kalu? Somebody Kalu? In case Nayobo number 6 citizen of Nigeria, they have brought on the Fulani to terrorize Abia State. To terrorize Abia State. So right now, your own politicians are playing a bet within the Fulani. Islamic Jihad is here to stay in Igbo. If you do not wake up. And waking up is not by protesting or no. Waking up is by the sound of the same barrel. Imagine Fulani, very chaotic people in your own land, blocking road, harassing your own people, and we are there. Oh, the Fulani block the road. How many? Fulani are very, very chaotic in nature. I have seen them all. Nobody can tell me what they are. Very, very chaotic in nature. Fulani can never fight any battle and cannot go for any battle. They always run away from battles. They don't even like to engage themselves in any battle. Those are the ones blocking road. In Ali Ibunna, Oyo scenario is being created. Okwa scenario Oyo ka a create n'ala Igbo. Courtesy Orji Uzor Kalu and the number 6 citizen. They have told them, if you have to win that man, you have to take Fulani to terrorize him so that people will be afraid. Oh, you give us light, you build the road, but Fulani is now disturbing us. So who are you? Are you buying us? Are you saving us? That is because they want to play with the mentality of our own people. They have brought them. And our own people need to equip the men on the ground. If you are waiting for anybody to come and save you, nobody will save you. Not even all these ones shouting. I have told you that all these umuchiobobo, ndị 419 na, ndị nke a na-achọ, oh, ha pụta na social media, ha say, we cannot take it anymore. The Fulani, we are then ordering. Because I heard one saying that they have ordered their own men to comb everywhere and in order to attack the Nigerian government. Listen, or chanting, they will never attack Nigerian government. Right to this day down. Although Tataka Agwabara again here. You have in here move so that he put some now. Oh, you are lying, you are blackmailing the woman. They will never attack Nigerian government. Okay, they can speak about attack, but simple to show you their soldiers, they cannot. They can never. They are part and parcel of Nigerian government. Many of you don't know the work of double agents, but my work at the intelligence department in IPOB opened my eyes to too many things. Before now, I could have been Mugu. Na say, hey, no, kwa ihe ọ na-ekwu, but elena m nyomo anyị ime nyo ya ngo miri emi we ghọta what the double agents are doing. That was the reason why one of the double agents that was speaking with me then, he thought that I don't know. If you ask me, am I agent? I will say no. Elena manye bụ agent. Oh ya ka na gị ji ekwu. Ọ na-ekwu na record down. Ọ na-ekwu na record down. Asim, you know this and that na-ekwere ya. Na-ekwere ya, na-ekwe n'ishi kweke. A very criminal minded personality. Very, very criminal minded. This Biafra struggle have a lot of criminals that came to play. But this very struggle will deal with them. A very criminal minded people. But this particular Biafra struggle will deal with them. They lie a lot. Lie no sumba. Usetenan. Surprise, surprise, you will not see any one of them addressing this. What I mean by addressing this is to show Mazen Namdekano will come. Mazen Namdekano will come and order the Eastern Security Network to comb all the bushes. All of you remember when the Fulani went to Abia State and kidnap a whole in the university, kidnap. Mazen Namdekano told people. We know their operation. Kidnap, comb the bush, how many miles away? Surround the bush. Do not allow anything. Stay in the bush morning and night. Comb it to the... Immediately they freed the people because they know that they will capture them. They listen. When they tried it when Mazi Simon Ekpa was around, Mazi Simon Ekpa laughed at them and said, we will comb that area. We know where you are. And when the BLA started combing the area, they left the people and run away. Fulani is a coward. And run away for their life. How will they run away? They will go by this bush side, bury their guns, and then come out innocent on the road and then be walking. If you see innocent man on the road walking, will you attack innocent man? No. We are not barbarians. That is how they escape. I remember entering motor with one of them. Looking at that one, then my mind and my kidney, my liver was telling me that this is a herdsman. this is a terrorist. But we are not barbarian. I cannot attack that one. I told people around, you see this guy very quiet, so he's very dangerous. That is not my mind. It was the spirit following me that was telling me that this is a terrorist. The way that he was looking to observe things, I said, this is a terrorist. Even some of them, some of the crazy people that I entered motor said, if you are sure, let's stop this motor now, this inside this bush, and then deal with him. I said, how will you deal with him without finding evidence? There is no evidence with him, but he is returning from work. We are not barbarians. That was how they escaped. And I want to say to our own people, any area that they kidnap people, when you find Fulani there, they are part and parcel of kidnapping. Fulani all over the world are in chain. What this one is doing, this one knows it. Forget about the nonsense. Fulani Christians for God. That is how they share their information. If you believe in that nonsense that they are showing, before now, have you heard of Fulani Christian? Fulani is playing ping pong with your brain. Now Fulani is buying everywhere, buying. And all of a sudden there is Fulani Christians singing and praising God. They can't play that card with me. I am Mwashiburobi. That particular nonsense card can never be played with me. I am way too learned for somebody now Kuramanaza when I'm mattering them. This is the type of politics that they want to be playing in Igbo today. I am very sure. Very sure. Orji Uzor Kalu and Kezi nke ọzọ so na ya bụ Kalu kwa. The number 6 citizen of the Zoological Republic, they have gone to bring Fulani to terrorize Abia people and then campaign. Because nothing that they will campaign on, they tries to use it to campaign in the next 5 months or 4 months. They will tell you, hey, Abia people, have you seen it? Terrorists are buying you people, have you seen it? This and that, have you seen it? That is, and it will get worse. The people that bring them are ndị sị na ha bụ ndị Igbo na campaign for politics. They brought them to deal with their fellow Igbo youth for their own political aggrandizement. So they see you as a commodity and as a bet. That is the reason why when you die, when you are dying, they do nothing. They don't call it insecurity. But when one of them die, it becomes insecurity. Tomorrow you follow them to shout insecurity. All these things are the things that we plan to stop. We wanted to stop it. There is plan to stop it. But those of you, some of you that they deceive, imagine you, a sensible somebody, being deceived by Udele, the one that lied that kidney yere kana mgbe Ebuka Obi nwụrụ eko ishi na sanko ono na agbawashi ono. Ask him to go and attack Ebuka Obi. He can no longer speak about Ebuka Obi. He is afraid of a Jakwaya, another Ishina Sanko. So he is waiting for a Fulani man to come to power. Oga, Naraha, Sir Alhaji, please, tell him that I will support his government. Oh, you know, me and Fulani is one. It has been long that I have been a slave. I have accepted slavery from the Fulani. Let me na Rachaike. I say, okay, you can be our boys or Mapotakwa. Ebuka Obi, you are evil. Ebuka Obi, you are this. Ebuka Obi, you are that. Because then they will give him cover. That is one thing he is waiting. That coward. I heard him telling a community that a whole community should run away. Imagine that they will come into the community. And at the same time, he was saying, don't mind Kesh. I think that him and Kesh is the same thing. Have they divided? that Kesh is trying to raise some eyebrows that nobody should mind Kesh, that the military is coming to clear landmines, but he is telling a community to run away, that they are coming to deal with the community. Imagine such a nonsense. On Igbo Kaina Haboya. All these very people would have been taken care of, but we are shooting ourselves on the leg. Sabotage everywhere, here and there. Onye ga ya collect a 500 naira recharge card. Ya potazie na social media na you. Our own people left the concentration. Where is the concentration? Biafra, the Republic of Biafra. Getting the freedom. That is where we are concentrating. That is where we are concentrating. And I am please. Lastly, there is something that I want to correct here. There is a program that I did yesterday alleging about how Ngozi Orabueze. That program could also be tied with a fellow called Chika. And you know, after the program that I did yesterday, somebody called me to shed more light. A man called me to shed more light to the things that are happening in the struggle. The person points evidences to me and told me, as at the time that Prince Will was speaking, this is where you know, I want to be correct. Anything that I do, I want to be correct. Ọ mmụọ ala ka m na-eme. Ihe m na-eme bụ mmụọ, ihe m na-ebe bụ mmụọ. Ihe na-eche m bụ Chukwu Okike. So I want to be correct in any program that I do. So the person shed more light that in December, Prince Will was in Zoom, the time that Obatobie called CRC. And the person told me that Imam Madabo told Obatobie, this is Prince Will is greeting, and Obatobie do not answer. Maybe probably Unma is not a big deal. Unma, the prosecution, he cannot be answering such. Now, let us go forward. The Biafra Governing Council, you people have seen what we are saying about Chika. The Biafra Governing Council, they thought that they would work with a man very faithful. Chika is not a faithful type. We have dealt with Chika for a very long time. I know step by step what he can do. And for us to get Biafra, we need sincere people. We need sincere people. Did it ever occur to you that when I do exposition, I don't take in consideration how close that we have been? If you are not fighting for Biafra, I will expose you. That's me for you. If your aim and objective, scamming them, you will get yourself in my exposition, and only then your eyes will clear. I exposed Chika, and I know that what Prince Will is saying, because if Prince Will said that they were sending money to the person, I know of the time that they are giving the person money. I know. They gave the man money. It was because of it that I have to agree with one of our brother yesterday who was shedding more light to me on what is happening. That it is not Ngozi that scammed them, that it is Chika that scammed them. So the Biafra customary government, then CRC, doesn't have enough then, but they were try na squeeze nke ndị mmadụ na-eweta na-enye. They were giving Chika, I am aware. But then he was some of these very people that have failed on Obodo Igbo have feel that Biafra is going to be their investment. Scamming people up and down. Seeing Biafra as their own investment. But they have failed. They have failed at arrival. Ụmụ mmadụ na-atụ ego anyị eji enweta Biafra. Ha nọ na-epe calculation how to squander that money, how to eat that money. Then nye people fake videos and fake accounts of what is happening in our land. But today, so just look at Abia, how the enemies are everywhere. The Fulani is now blocking road. In Abia State, the heartbeat of Igbo, Abia. For now, all young about the heart and Ebonyi State. If you want to know more why I said the heart, Abia and Ebonyi is the heartbeat of Igbo. Conquer these two places, the other Igbo race will fall. For those who say, Abia, for those who say in Ebonyi people, hey use against Ebonyi people. If you conquer Ebonyi, conquer Abia, Igbo will fall. I'm telling you the truth. Who is there that will stand? Igbo will fall overnight. Don't you know that? I'm asking you, don't you know? Conquer those areas now. Then show me who will become foot soldiers. Show me who will become foot soldiers. You know other region. I'm not saying that other regions doesn't produce foot soldiers. They produce, but Ebonyi and Abia produce more, way far than every other label. Don't argue this. I was there. I know the numbers every state can get. You know, I told you I was secretary of entire states. So when I speak, I know what I am saying. I'm not speaking out of exaggeration. When states we are given mandate, I know how many states and what people could be able to produce. And then if you can't, even in the states that produce, I know the numbers coming from Abia. I know the numbers coming from Ebonyi, from other states also that produce. When you talk about Igbo, some people will say, oh, Igbo produce men. But I know the numbers from Ebonyi. Abia and Ebonyi produce far way men than every other state. And if you conquer these states, Igbo will fall overnight. Don't say that I do not warn you. A stitch in time saves 9. We cannot and cannot continue to subjugate and suppress our own people. We cannot. We cannot and cannot continue to tell our own people lies. Let's tell ourselves the truth until we begin to recognize this man that is on the ground now. This nonsense will stop overnight until we begin to find the money to protect Igbo in totality. It will be protected overnight. And I am calling on the BLA leadership, please. On your try. unu aghọgo isi na-ebu ogidi and unu na-ebu ogidi ya na-akpọkwa unu n'ọnụ mana unu ya try unu aghọgo ya ihe Chukwu nyere unu. Protect ala Igbo is what God has mandated all of you. Many of the people do not know the reason why eji wee weta ndị ọsọ isi a na mmadụ ebu a na-ayị ara is to squeeze and conquer ala Igbo. I wipe away the military because they want to take care of ebe niile finance si aga to the BLA and to make sure that they never get anything. So if they can be able to stop these very people now, ncha ya eme n'ala Igbo, ọsọ ya agba n'ala Igbo. Eziokwu ka m na-agwa gị, ntụasị ọ ya ebu m aka. But BLA, the best form of defense is offensive. Gịnị kwan ka eji aga offensive ọkwa ebe okwu dị? It then falls in the table of our own people. Ọkwa unu ji aka eme onwe unu. Ọkwa unu ji aka eme onwe unu. Look at the finest men Chineke nyere unu. Men nwere obi. Men ọkwa with happiness I stand on tankers. Men with happiness I stand on bombs. Look at ihe unu ji aka eme onwe unu. Stand up now. Stand up and fight against this injustice. Stand up and protect your land. Ndị politicians unu ebidokwana na-achịta ndị Fulani in order to mock another sitting governor. Ha ebidogo ya. And nke a na-abụ the worst. Ya bụ ọsọ ha ya agba n'ala Igbo. Because when insiders, they cannot finance BLA because the BLA wants separation, but they will go to North and bring in the Fulani to come and terrorize their opponents. No wala. Abacha osaya agumai. Ogukwana ka oham nono. Let us stand up and protect our Igbo na. Ona adakwada. Let us stand up. God bless all of you and thunder fire those enemies of Biafra and thunder fire those whom the Fulani is using and Sokoto is using. Thunder will fire you. Amadioha ya amawagoto. Irie nni ya ghọrọ gị ihe ọjọọ, ịṅụ mmiri ya ghọrọ gị ihe ọjọọ, ya gbaba gị agbaba, iku ume ya ghọrọ gị ihe ọjọọ, ihe ọbụla itiri aka ya ghọrọ gị ihe ọjọọ. Arụ kwa arụ ya nọdị n'ezinụlọ gị. Ihe ọbụla bụ ihe mmebi nọdị n'ezinụlọ gị, ihe ọbụla bụ ihe mmechu ihu nọdị n'ezinụlọ gị. Asị m na ịma nga n'ihu a na-azụ ka ị ya na-aga. Ka m kwuru na Eke, ka m kwuru na Orie, ka m kwuru na Afọ, ka m kwuru na Nkwọ, ahịa naanị ụbọ naanị Igbo ise.